While tracking some breaking news from Bihar's Patna for you, the main accused Tausif along with Nishu Khan and others have been arrested from Kolkata, and a total of 4 people have been arrested. Of course, these arrests are being made in the murder of course, that took place of the gangster Chandan Mishra, which of course occurred in Patna's Paras Hospital. Now, the latest update that we're bringing to you right now is that 4 arrests have been made, including the main accused Tausif along with Nishu Khan and others. Now, these of course have been arrested from Kolkata. The arrests were made as a part of a joint operation conducted by Patna as well as the Kolkata STF. Now, police say that the conspiracy was hatched and the crime was planned at the residence of the accused Nishu Khan, who of course has been arrested. The accused will be brought to Patna. We have my colleague Prabhakar joining us. Prabhakar, what is the latest that we are tracking on this story?
We have been updating about this development since morning, and this is an official statement issued by Patna Police. Patna Police confirms that Taufik alias Badsa, the main accused, the man in the white shirt who was leading the gang when the shooting happened, he has been arrested from Calcutta, and Nishu is one of the associates who actually helped not only do the recce but also provided all the logistic support for committing this crime. He has also been arrested. So altogether, 10 persons have been picked up from Kolkata, and it was done with the help of Kolkata STF and Bihar STF. So the Bihar Police and the Patna Police, they made a joint team and they conducted this operation. So it is officially now confirmed, as you can see in the press statement issued by the Patna Police, and they are being brought to Patna now. As we speak, they would be brought to Patna, and here the further proceedings will be on. Altogether, 10 persons have been arrested, and 2 ladies, including 2 ladies, they were actually residing in one of the guest houses in Calcutta, and these ladies were providing them the shelter. So they have also been picked up by the STF, and they are also being brought to Patna.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Prabhakar, for joining us and sharing those details with us.